it's officially go time. We've been working with Corona this whole time for almost about a year to get this build going, and we're here. We got the Impala, now we have a due date, it's time to go. 1964 Impala, convertible, all Corona style, but with a touch of West Coast Customs. Get ready, because this one's gonna break the internet. Off the paint. Okay. So bumpers, all the chrome, pretty much everything exterior, and then pull the interior out so he can start rewrapping the interior. From there, I think we'll hold off on doing the top if you want to tell him. I think we should do the paint first and then do the top. Okay. And then he can have time to work on this. And then Joanne's gonna hate me with this paint job because
it's gonna be crazy paint job.
Not crazy, but like we need to weather it. We need to add the Impala logos, the Corona logos, some ghosting. But I think it's everything he can do. I don't think we need to bring anybody in. We just need to explain it to him really well. All right.
So right now I'm building the trunk setup for the Corona build. It's a 2-pump setup for the hydraulics, and we're gonna try to create some kind of presentation for Corona and have their heritage like photos and stuff on the trunk lid.
So the moment is here. Corona's here, the rendering is done, the paint samples are done, now it's time to get the sign off. I didn't want it to
you don't want to
stand out a little bit more.
You don't want to
I didn't
make the logo faded away.
Yeah.
So I told them to place them in places that this isn't.
Yeah, you're gonna see that from a distance.
For sure.
Oh, yeah. That's awesome.
And not too much,
Yes.
you know, like it'll be, I think that's perfect.
That's good right there.
My heart.
Tenemos que poner los logos de Corona, empapelar, tirarle otro color más claro que se diferencie de este azul y quitar los logos, tirarle la capa transparente y dejarlo secar. Y espero que le guste a Ryan o a Musa ahorita que vengan y lo vean y pues a ver qué dicen ellos.
have to make sure everybody's charged up, you know what I mean? Oh, you ready? Okay.
Oh my God, it's cold. Good.
Cheers.
Shit.
This is how you end the day.
Good.
So I'm working on the speaker box for the 64 Impala project for Corona. There's not a lot of room in there. We've got a convertible top. I've got to stuff this thing behind some hydraulics. Got pumps in the way, top that comes down and collapses on top of the box. So had to get a little creative with the shape. We're gonna mount a couple 10-inch West Coast Customs woofers on the face. We're gonna make a bunch of angles on all these pieces of wood that I've cut up, and about an hour we're gonna have a badass box. Hopefully this thing bangs.
All right, it's official. Less than 24 hours away from the official unveiling of the Corona Impala. Stay tuned. I'm Ryan Friedlinghaus, CEO of the world famous West Coast Customs. So this lowrider that we're building for Corona is really a tribute to LA, to the Latino culture, to the whole lowrider brand.